You know what? There are so many reasons for people to give up, especially Christians. One of the reasons is because we do not know what the future holds. If I knew what the future holds for me, when I say the future, I mean the plans that God has for me. If I knew them, I would have suffered some of the persecutions. I would have suffered some of the troubles that I face in my life. But because I do not know, sometimes I choose to surrender. Sometimes I easily give up because I do not know. But if you go back to the Bible and we read the story of Joseph, you know, Joseph had brothers and his father loved him. But you see that the brothers did a lot of things. And one of the reasons for him to face that was because God didn't want him to be at that place at that time. That's why he was thrown in the pit and he was sold as a slave. And when he was sold, where he went, that's where his blessing manifested. So you see, sometimes you have a lot of potential, but we easily give up. If Joseph had cried, if Joseph had said, okay, now I'm now doing suicide, because how am I going to survive in this pit? Imagine, how was he going to be? How was his life going to be? And how many lives would he have lost survival? Just because his presence in Egypt made many nations to rely with Egypt, just because Joseph had interpreted a good dream. So are you seeing this? There are times that you choose to surrender when God is about to do something big for you, and that will even change nations. So my advice today is never give up. You do not know what the future holds. God has better plans for you. Jeremiah, I knew the plans that I have for you even before the foundation of the earth. So that's the same thing. God knows the plans that he has for you, and he knew it even before creating you. God is different from people. He doesn't create something without a purpose. A car is not manufactured without a purpose. That's the same thing. God creates you because of the purpose, not because of just creating you. God didn't create you just to show people that I have the creating ability, but he created you for a certain purpose, and that purpose is yet to be discovered.